के लिए गाइडलाइंस है, उसमें सेंटर्स हैं, केयर सेंटर है।
हेलो हेलो जोशी सर। हाँ सर, आवाज येतोय?
हा ओके. हा स्लाइड पहिली फक्त ऑन कर तू.
नाही ना, स्लाइड माझ्या
शेअर शेअर दत्ता व्हिडिओ ओके. हॅलो व्हिडिओ ओके. प्रेझेंटर टच करायला लागेल नाही तू. हा प्रेझेंटर करायला लागेल ना घरी. हॅलो हॅलो दत्ता कॉल केलं होतं त्यांनी. हॅलो दत्ता प्रेझेंटर तुला बनवलंय.
परंतु आता मला हॅलो सर,
हा बोल.
म्हटलं मी मोबाईल यूज करणार, कारण की काल मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं ना की ते लॅपटॉप मध्ये इन्स्टॉल होत नाहीये. तुम्हाला स्लाइड शेअर तुम्हाला तुमचं स्क्रीन करावं. हो हो हो.
ठीक ठीक आहे.
आणि माझा व्हिडिओ व्यवस्थित दिसतोय ना, कारण मी मोबाईल आता आडवा ठेवलाय.
दिसतोय दिसतोय.
काय प्रॉब्लेम ना?
नाही नाही एक मिनिट व्हिडिओ तिथे बघू.
एकदा बघा, आवाज क्लिअर येत असेल तर ठीक, नाहीतर मग मला व्हिडिओ बंद करावा लागेल, तेव्हा आवाज माझा चांगला आहे.
आवाज
कारण
येतोय
कारण मी
व्यवस्थित.
कारण काय होतं, बऱ्याचदा नेटचा प्रॉब्लेम येतोय, मी मोबाईलचा नेट वापर.
हा आवाज येतोय व्यवस्थित. फक्त माईक थोडा पुढे ठेव. येतो
ओके ओके,
त्यापासून
आता
थोडा
येतो,
पुढे.
आता येतो, आता येतो.
हाय ओके. हो व्यवस्थित आहे. स्लाइड करतो फक्त बोट वर केलं तर पुढे पुढे नेऊ. Hello, please mute your mic and video sound, all of you. I request once again. Video off करा and mic mute कर लीजिए please. All are requested to mute your mic and stop streaming videos.
Stop stream videos.
आईच्या मेलवर हो आधीच आली आईच्या मेलवर कधी येणार आहे कधी येणार आहे. सांगा ना काय. तिथे लक्ष देऊ नका. नाही आपण करणार आहे. नाही.
हॅलो.
हा बोल बच्चा. हॅलो.
हा सर, होतंय का शेअर होतंय तुमची स्क्रीन? आली का शेअर मध्ये?
मिनिट प्रेझेंटेशन तिकडं. हा एक मिनिट चालू आहे होईल एक मिनिट.
ओके ओके ओके.
चालू राहू दे फोन तू होईल बघ.
हो हो.
6 मिनिट आहेत काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही चालू आहे, होईल 1 मिनिटामध्ये. आवाज क्लिअर आहे बाकी ओके.
ओके ओके.
हॅलो.
येस सर.
हा आला बघ पीपीटी शेअर झालाय बघ.
हो हो हो, फुल स्क्रीन करा ना.
मोबाईल फक्त उलटा दिसतो चेहरा तुझं स्क्रीन. रोटेड हा ओके ओके. उलटा दिसतो चेहरा स्क्रीन मोबाईल सरळ कर ना.
अच्छा.
रोटेड हा ओके
मला
ओके.
आता
आला आता. प्रेझेंटेशन दिसतंय ना.
हो हो दिसतं.
ओके. आता थांब मी हे करतो अजून 10 मिनिटं आहे.
आडवा ठेवला तर नाही चालणार का?
तुझं दिसताना लोकांना वेगळं दिसेल ना.
मला
मग व्हिडिओ ऑफ करायला लागेल.
आता ठीक आहे का? मला तर
ओके
आणि काय झालं ते ना हे लावलं हेडफोन तर त्याच्यामुळे मोबाईल एखादा मेसेज जर आला व्हॉट्सअप वरती वगैरे तर ते खाली पडेल
सर आपण पहिली स्लाइड झालं की व्हिडिओ ऑफ कर. चेहरा नाही दिसला तरी चालेल, शेवटी face दाखव. दॅट इज ओके फॉर ऑल.
ओके.
हेलो सर. हाँ हेलो सर. हेलो सर. गुड आफ्टरनून. सर PPT only press the 5F sir. 5F automatically screen will increase. Press the 5F. Hello.
F5 is the command for show the full.
No. Just go to home page, sir. Home page and press the F5. Function key. F5.
स्लाइड शो करा सर.
Just touch the F5, sir.
Wait sir, he is doing. Wait.
Just touch the F5, sir. Automatically will screen the big size.
Yes sir.
काय म्हणते गायत्री? तुझ्या पुढे.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Please start the meet.
Sir, slideshow. The next, first one plus slide. No. Animation after showing. Slideshow. Just click, sir. Just click. Just one click, sir. Just you go to prompt. Yes, sir. One click, sir. One click. Automatically screen will be. Yes, sir. Good, sir. Now, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Don't click, sir.
करूया दत्ता, मी इंट्रोडक्शन सुरू करतो.
सर फुल स्लाइड फुल करा फक्त त्याला स्लाइड शो.
बर.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, please just click the slide show, sir. In PPT, automatically will increase, sir.
Sir, you wait for 2 minutes. We are doing. Please, sir, I am requesting you.
Okay, sure, sure. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, Datta sir. Hello. Hello. दत्ता सर.
हा सर.
जर स्लाइड स्लोला टाकल्यानंतर पुढे गेलं तर मॅच कसं करणार? हॅलो.
वन बाय वन नाही करता येणार का तुम्हाला? मी सांगेल ना चेंज करायचं काय.
हा मग तसंच केलेलं बरं. मी स्लाइड सांगतो चेंज सांगितलं, नेक्स्ट म्हटलं की मी दाबतो नेक्स्ट. हॅलो. ते जास्ती चांगलं आहे.
ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम.
गुड आफ्टरनून टू वन अँड ऑल. हॅलो.
Good afternoon, sir. Okay, continue, sir. No problem.
Good afternoon to one and all. Today our session is personal branding in digital world, a professional asset. Dr. Datta Kalbande, college librarian from Thane, is a resource person today. Introduce him. He is a lot of activity doing in the library science, all of group, and I'm he is conducting also with SNDT University international faculty development program for librarians. So please, I request you to join and support him. He is a college librarian in Thane. Now I request LPA Dr. Anandji to introduce and welcome Dr. Datta Kalbande sir. Anandji, please.
Thank you, Nitinji. First, I clarify I don't complete my doctorate. I'm Anand Anjani Jha, and I'm Anand for all of my professionals. It's my pleasure to welcome Dr. Dattatray for today webinar, and I know that today topic is very interesting. Personal branding in digital world. We all people are using a digital platform right now, but these days to communicate our feeling to the society, to communicate our feeling to our friends and communities. So that's why this topic is very relevant to each and every person. So thank you, Dr. Dattatray, to giving this topic, very relevant and very new topic to the our professionals to come up and join this webinar and learn something regarding this. And yeah, I also welcome and thank you to Dr. Nitin Joshi ji and complete MIT WPU team to conducting such a very nice webinar from a long time. This is the 6th webinar in our series, in this series. And I just take 2 minutes to clarify something about Library Professional Association to all the participants, those who are present in this webinar. So first of all, I congratulate everyone. Today is the Mother's Day. So नमस्कार to हमारी जितनी भी माताएं हैं आज हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुए सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. और हम अपनी अपनी माँ को जिस तरह से भी हो, जैसे भी हो, चाहे सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू या अगर समक्ष हो तो वहां से आज जरूर मिलके एक बार उनका धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करें. और जो कोई भी वंचित है इस सुख से, वो अपनी धरती माता को जरूर आज धन्यवाद करेंगे. सो नाउ आई कम टू द पॉइंट कि व्हाट इज द एलपीए. Definitely we do have the very good website of Library Professional Association, but need to be revamped. So its website is lpaindia.in. So I requested all the participants to go to the website and visit the website and suggest us what is the technicality required to develop this website more. And so first of thing, it's who we are. What is the LPA? Who we are? So we are the basically group of professionals who come together and we do the work for the professional development. In 2008 and 9, we found that lot of conference and seminar is going on in this field, but that conference registration fee is very high. Please mute your mic. Someone is doing disturbance in background. Okay. So definitely we all are the professionals. That's why we're naming this organization Library Professionals Association. So this is your professional association, my friends. So this is the basically professionals association. So those who are interested, they will come and like a Nitin ji, come forward. हम लोग साथ हाथ मिलाइए and do the good work for the profession. Why we found the Library Professional Association? Because we found that in 1 decade back, the seminar conference fee is very high, and that time, so budding professionals and the new professionals don't have that much money to participate for this conference or seminar and learn something new. Because at that time professional registration fee is approximately 3,000 to 4,000 for per conference and seminar, and almost in not in the metro city but a lot more area in this, type 2 cities, more of the librarians have the salary between 5,000 to 8,000. Basically, hello.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah, we did from last basically 5 to 6 years, we did the international conference. Basically, yearly we did the international conference with the reputed Institute of India, and we do have the very good collaborative partners. We did with the Manipal University, Jaipur. We did with the Goa University. We did with the Hyderabad University and Sardar Patel University in Gujarat. So very successful journey we do have in last 10 years. So this year July we completed our 10 years. So now next years we do have the 10 series of the program one by one, and with the help of you all people. And so that is our plan. And in October we do have the another international conference in Tirupati. So I basically requested all of you to come and participate with this conference and take the benefit of the conference and enrich the program as you have the expertise in different field, like the our today's speaker Dattatreya. So definitely you share your good paper with us and make successful this coming event. And next I'm talking about how you people associated with us. So definitely we do have the very less amount of the membership fee. So you just take the basically a membership or lifetime membership. So normally we charge 2,000 rupees for the lifetime membership fee for, but now those who are participated in this webinar, they have the special discount, 10% discount to fill the form and submit the things for. So that charge is 1,800 rupees right now for membership fee. And whatever it is your expertise, you just send to us, sir, I do have this kind of expertise and want to contribute for the Library Professional Association. So definitely we just we always welcome you people to come with us and join the hand with us, help with us to grow this profession. And so that's why I'm looking for the good people, though come forward and volunteer with us. So you all are the welcome for that. And what is the future plan of our LPA? So definitely we do have, we need just a discussed, we need good people to come forward and help us, and need your suggestion. We always welcome all the good suggestion, all the innovative suggestion to how to develop the organization, how we work together to grow this association. And we serve, basically we serve the good uh, platform to the our upcoming, our budding professionals. So that's why. And regarding this webinar, I just some of these things within 2 seconds. Regarding this webinar, so a lot of people asking some questions. They don't receive the certificate, they don't have some issues. So there is, when you people are submitting the form, there is some error. A lot more people are putting their email in wrong way. They don't put the Gmail, so they just put the G then MIAL. Someone is doing G dot MAIL. So that kind of mistake are there. So that's why your certificate is not reaching to you directly, and we are facing a lot more problem. So I just request you, I repeat my number. This is a 99-100-17-177. At, you believe, my dear friend, lot more friend are the witness for this. At 12:30 in the night, I deliver all the certificate. Those requests I getting by the WhatsApp and or mail. So you just put your name, your date of the conference, and you send me the payment receipt. Now to the come to the point, why you are charging the rupees 50 for? So day before yesterday, Nitin ji sent me one basically one photographs, one image on WhatsApp. So people are more interested to collecting the certificate instead of the knowledge. So we as a professional don't want to appreciate this kind of attitude. If you are the serious professional, webinar is completely free for them, those who want to gain the knowledge. But those who want to collect the certificate, they want the certificate. I just need rupees 50 contribution. It's a very less contribution, but it will go for the good help. We want to give some amount directly by the Library Professional Association. We just want to donate something for the PM fund to overcome to this COVID problem. So this is the one initiative which we taken, and that's why we are charging this money. And of course, this is the professional organization. They do have the lot of expenses. So if we are taking something from you people to contribute this profession, that is not harmful at the end, because आप लोग अगर बूंद बूंद से अगर जमा करते हैं तो ये एक सागर बन सकता है, because हम लोग काम करते हैं आपके लिए. And वैसे whatever we are doing, we are very good established in our field. All the people are established in our field. So I request all of you to just go and visit our website and give your positive feedback by the mail and by WhatsApp, whatever you feel. So that is basically, I just want to share with you people. So, and in future, definitely we do have a lot of things to do. And after this webinar, we revamp our website, we update our membership list, we changing the whole look of the website. And because we are completing 10 years, so this is our new initiative to do that. I need your suggestion, your help to do this work. Thank you very much. Now I don't come in between Dattatreya sir and the you participants are there. So I request Dattatreya sir to start this program. And whatever I did mistake, I just forgive me, just like a professional. Thank you so much.
Anand ji,
Yes, sir.
Anand ji,
Sir.
thank you very much. You just put up a chat box your mobile number and name for all participants. They can contact you directly. Thank you so
Definitely.
nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitin.
Oh,
Thank you for your
yeah.
initiative. And definitely we'll do a lot of good work with all the professionals, those who want to do this kind of work. Please write a letter to us. Thank you, sir.
audible?
Datta ji, please start. Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah. Okay. First, thank you, Ananja, for introduction of myself as well as for LPA. First, good afternoon to one and all. I heartily congratulate to Nitin Joshi sir, convener of this
webinar. And as a librarian, we know he is a very much active and a renowned personality in our profession and always doing something new. So thanks sir for giving me this opportunity. So I thanks to Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University authorities and ELP authorities like Nitin Jha and others. Today I am going to with you on personal branding in digital world. Sir, please change slide. See, uh,
Joshi sir, please change slide. Hello.
आवाज येतोय सर आवाज येतोय
Okay. Thank you. Actually, one thing is happen here. I am using laptop with an Windows 7, so Webex is not compatible for Windows 7. That's why I am talking with you on mobile, and our screen has been handling by Nitin Joshi sir. So maybe sometime maybe such type of disturbance will be there. So sorry for that. See this image. A to Z points covered related to. We always think about the brand. It may be clothes, it may be shoes, it may be watch, it may be mobile. Like in a mobile, you can say Apple. If you are thinking for the clothes, always in our mind, first brand should be there, like an Raymond. If you will be see the shoes, then always in our mind there is a brand like an Bata. Or if you think about watch, so this is an old brand, more expensive or not much more. Other brands also very much rich about that, but these brands has been created their own status in the market like that. When we are thinking about us, so there is a need to think our customer. There is a need to think in our knowledge. There is a need to think about our concepts. There is need to think about personality. So you can think since we always say Colgate. Bottle maybe company from the Aqua or maybe n number of companies are available nowadays. But we always say Bisleri. Why are you think? I would like to say thanks to Mr. Joel. Actually, he is the first time used the term of the digital in his best-selling book. The title of the book is Control Alt and Delete Your Brand as Moved Online. Means you need to translate who you are in the real world into similar bits and bytes version of you. First impression is most important. Every time we will see first impression is the last impression to your career success. So whether place with the handshake or on a sole device, you need to make sure yours is an authentic, yours is an convincing, and yours is an relevant. Of course, you can't translate your real world brand for the virtual world. If you are not about your brand, your unique promise of value, start here. Making sure brand helps to reach us your goals. We are building your spend a lot of time on introspection because the most successful brand are not created, they are on earth. Branding or successful branding is based on your authenticity. So whenever you want to think brand, see why people are trust on on a Bisleri because they have authenticity. Why people are we are trusting on the Colgate because they have such type of authenticity. Why we are when you are going to purchase anything, so you are thinking about the brand because on the basis of their authenticity. If you are purchasing or anything related to morning to evening, we are thinking about the brand. So we are also one brand for for our students, for our research scholars, for our try to make your brand is a successful brand and with an authentic information. Sir, next slide please. For for creating a, yeah, thank you sir. For you need to know who are and why people should care. First, I want to give one example over here. Apple owns the brand attributes of innovation because everything it does, from its products to store to how to navigate its website, its innovations. The same must be true for your brand. You need to know who are and why people should care. So ask some question yourself first. The first question is there: what do you do better than anyone else? If you want to create your brand, then there is a need to do something better other than else, other than your colleagues, other than your professional, other than your friend circle, other than your family members. Then and then only you can create your. Second thing is, if you were to receive an award, what would be it for? अगर आपको कोई अवार्ड मिलता है तो वो किस चीज के लिए दिया जाता है? Which चीज has been considered at the time of awarding your such type of precious award? So think about that. Third one is, in what words do people use to describe you when they introduce you to others? I think this is the most important part when we are going to on a digital. When we are going to create our brand on a digital, we are creating our profile on a digital. See, आजकल तो कोई भी मुंह पे तो कोई भी अच्छा बोल देगा, लेकिन what people will be describe to you, what they will be introduced to you others in your absence, this is the most important part. देखिए, किसी के बारे में अच्छा कहने के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिल चाहिए. हम किसी को भी अभी आज के जमाने में तो कोई भी किसी को बड़ा या अच्छा कहने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, लेकिन या but if you have such type of qualities, if you have such created your such type of brand, so definitely other people will definitely in your absence they will be introduced to you like Sudesh and proud. What unique element do you contribute to everyone? Do you exactly what you would be missing? What makes you lose track of time when you do it? What makes you feel most confident? What would not be like? Is it you had not been a part of it? Or what do people come to you for? Yeah, actually, when we think that why people are coming for you, they will become for information, they will become for knowledge, they will become for reference, they will become for some other information maybe sometimes. So you have to give some information, then again and again people will become to you. If students has been come to you, you will say no, this book is not available or this information is not available, I don't know. So why they will become to with you again and again? See, when we are going to in any shop like an Tata or an Sonata was, so the people will be respectfully treat with, they will be try to give best their service, they will be try to give respect to you regarding their services, their products, their features and their selling purpose. So think about that when we are knowledge professionals. So our first duty is why people are come to and what can I do for their information or for their need. What are you most, last one is what the most unusual thing about it. See, these questions, if anyone has been asked first yourself, then you will be found that you are able for creating brand in your community, in your professionals, in your family members. And remember one thing, that in defining your brand, to be clear about that, the people you seek to influence, branding is not about being famous, it's about selectively famous. That means you need to be visible and available to those you seek to influence. Spend some time documenting your target audience. Yeah, this is the most important part. Always you will be spend some time for your targeted audience. Those people who need to know you so you can achieve your goal. Some member of your target audience you may know by name. Some others may be described based on your job. Some may be on your college name. Some may be on your industry name. So think about that. So and that first ask this question: why people come? Why events? So think about that and create your own brand. See, in our college, sometimes it will be one person is absent, then will be always be created his own brand in like information technology. If information technology is not available, all people will be sometimes believe it and handicap. Like that, you have to yourself, this thing you have better, what thing you will better for the community, for your targeted audience, and do regarding. Next slide. Once you are clear your brand, still into the statement that like what's authentic, what separates you from your peer, and what makes you your target, and make your brand is relevant and positions who you are going to for tomorrow. There is an aspirant to all the brand. So evaluate your brand statement through that lens. When you have tell your story, which is most effective to attract, engage, and charm the people who need to know you. So you can achieve your goal. Your story has many forms. Two or four of the most important real world elements. Your elevator pitch and your biodata is most important. You see, now what Ramesh Gaur professor, he is and doing a fantastic course regarding this. He is sharing his story since the coming in this profession, since the coming in his job, what he in his good life as a professional. So think of try to write your stories. People will be inspiration. And one thing, two things is most important is there. One thing is then your relevant. Essential for connecting with those. थोड़ा म्यूट कीजिए ना. Thank you. Come to the point. The two elements are most important. One is an elevator pitch and another is an your bio. See, your elevator pitch is essential for connecting with those you have to meet in a last 1 week or in a last 1 month. See, it should be the brilliant, not boring. Stating your name, title, and institute name or industry name puts you at the boring end of the scale. Telling people to little more about you. Move to closer to brilliant. Remember, you must refine your pitch to make it relevant for each scenario or person encounter. Second thing is, yeah, each and everyone knows what about the biodata. But see, your biodata is the most important tool for your career, isn't it? But more important than your is the place where you tell your story. Your resume is a proof of document that what you say about yourself. You when you aren't there. It's a powerful tool for connecting with people emotionally, and when you know how to craft it. Another, the digitally you. What happened? The people want to learn about you today. It's like they will be first Google you. I call it he or she will be surfing to you. And it's a common as a checking like a corona patient in the world or in the Maharashtra or in the Mumbai or in the Pune or in the Aurangabad, like that. When people look up to you online, they make decisions about you based on the 5 major online IDs. That is volume. Yeah, exactly. How much of the content is about you? If answer is a lot of content, you must have something to say, isn't it? Relevance. How consist is the content? Is the most important part. Pure. Is it easy to determine what results are about you versus others who share your name? So purity is in and most important part. Diversity. Do you include multimedia like image, videos, or sometimes maybe text also is there. And last one is validate. Your results include testimonials, recommendations, and which is awards you have to receive and validate to yourself first, and then you will be to go ahead for the online. See, your goal is to make sure when someone checks out your Google results, he meets the same person like we are standing in front of him. To stay on top of your results, Google Alerts, and go ahead. Follow these 5 elements, and These 5 elements is the most important part when you are creating digital branding. Next slide, please. Mantra. See, the personal branding, especially digital branding, is not about you. It's about you seek to engage and influence. The most effective approach is to deliver value to those people with everything you. You don't endear yourself to people by just pounding or asking for things. You learn their attention by knowing them, understanding what they value, and generously giving it to them with the genuine desire to help. There are 3 ways to provide the knowledge to them or help to them. One thing is most important, like can provide valuable information or not. Doesn't post anything or do any of your social media accounts for which the answer is if anybody will ask the questions and answer is not yes. Will these are valuable to target your audience? Nowadays, what happen? We are using the Facebook and we are staring, feeling boring, watching movie, singing this song. So your targeted audience is not interested in those things. So don't, if you want to create your digital brand, so post valuable information or knowledge, those who are important for your targeted audience. Interact with others. You see, social media allows to conversation and group discussion. It is not a place for monologue. Engage with other people's content, and this enables you to express your point of view and ultimately build your brand with your targeted audience. So maybe don't monologue, use sometime like comments and such type of things and interact with the your senior fellows or your junior fellows, those who are going to you interact with you. Yeah, it's the most important thing. If you are on your social media or digitally created your brand, so the best way to build relationship with others and expand your brand is through the power of like other people's content. Thank you those who are sharing knowledge that is the helpful to you or your targeted group. So be careful, try to give some best comments to others, those who are sharing some information related like you or related to your community or related to your students or related to your any particular user group. So give a thanks, sometime give a valuable guidance also or a valuable comments also. See, digital branding is here to say, and it will be have a major impact on your ability to achieve your goal. Start your start with your personal brand and then translate it into the bits and bytes. Watching your career circle every step of the way. Next slide, please. Sir. Yeah. Point is how to scrub your identity online. If people make first impression of you online before they even meet you face to face, what happens when your online reputation has a few photos from your college days, maybe and online tracking or online trolling or online attacking or sometime identity theft, whatever is case, your online identity helps to form your reputation and first impression with potential employers, clients, and colleagues. So what can you do if you want to scrub some of those blames on your online identify? First off, don't go to rash. Delete all the accounts from the internet. Having no online response is almost worse than having a few online blunders. Here are few steps to take to improve your online reputation. First one is an search for your. Yeah. First, you have to go to Google, Bing, or Yahoo, or DuckDuckGo. Any of the search engines are available. N number of is there. So type your name surrounded by quotation marks and to see what purpose. Then head to your social media platform and do the mark you find and then be realistic on what you can live with. Another one is nowadays what happen on Facebook or on other media, anybody can tag photo to you. Maybe sometimes that photos are wrong and that photo should be not fit for your target group, or sometimes that photo should be damage your image in your targeted audience. So Go to settings to ensure other people can't tag you in a new photos or post without your permission. This social media platform has way to do this. Help section for a specific guide. Log out of your accounts and then log back in your view profile as a public. That's the way you can see what others are viewing when they look at your profile. This is the most important part. So settings and make your privatize your Facebook. Consider making your Facebook profile private or your past posts maybe should be sometime private. You can do this fairly easily in your Facebook settings. Delete in a yeah, deleting post index on Google and sometimes may be challenging for certain materials such as sensitive personal information, images or videos. You have a better chance. First, you need to ask the supporter. Sometimes maybe webmaster those pages to remove the information. Google writes in its supports page that even if you do get the Google, then they will be delete that page one. So such type of pages, images or sites, people can still find it through social media sharing or other search engines. So truly delete those pages. The webmaster sometime maybe delete them or he will be, but take care of about that. Say next one is with the dirt. If you cannot get all the wrong material linked to yourself, taken down, push the content to the third or fourth page of the Google search result. First page of the Google is always give to you 95% of the search traffic, whereas to page number 2, page number 3 or page number 5 give to you 5%. So start adding your expert professional post on sites like LinkedIn and answer questions on Quora. If you are a very good photographer, start photos on such as Flickr. Why you are posting your photos on Facebook or on other social media? Flickr is an if you are a photographer, so go ahead with the Flickr and start a blog. Yeah, blog is a very important part. So or that should be sometimes how important for your colleagues to write blogs and articles about you. So think about these things, and these things has been uh, suggested by Lisa Spanin at 80-day content manager, career developer. Next slide, sir. Digital, yeah. See, remember that the 9 actions you should be complete at least monthly to build your digital brand. Booster. Think of one thing you have accomplished or learned that you can use and enhance your digital profile. Give. Yeah, earlier I have discussed about that. Commit to at least one monthly act on a digital kindness. Refine. Update your bios or headsets. Act. Exactly. Like, comment, give. If you will feel this post is very good, so give a like or comment on that. Connect. Make your LinkedIn connections current. Add people on your social media. Those who are you have to meet in past days or past month or in past week. So you will be remember or you will be keep the relationship with them for long life. Ego sir, yeah, Google yourself and set up Google alerts. These facilities are available on Google. Understand what changes have occurred on your profile. Paying close attention to the first 3 pages of result. Sometimes some people will be due to those people are not using such type of things in a foreign. Such type of cases has been happen like they will be lost their because Google some posted or created fake page on XYZ name and he will be put it on Google. So sometime when you will be going to other one or your profile official when you are going to facing the interview, so people will be surfing to you on net. So that time you will be first you will be surf yourself. Follow. Then hashtag. Yes, see, you follow out of what's happened on the topic in all your social media accounts. Nowadays, following is a very much uh, famous word in our profession or in a digital world. We are following to famous personalities like heroes and Bollywood heroes or politicians or sometime authors like that. So follow those who you want for your area. How to follow the dignitary like that. Update, yeah. Send a brief update on your connections or followers. Commit to at one posting monthly in each of your social media accounts. Nowadays, what people are creating account and they will be not looking on that. once and current example is that I have LinkedIn account and I'm regularly using that, but I am searching those people are coming for the upcoming FDP from foreign countries. So I try to search them on Facebook. Never I will be come to them on Facebook, but when I will be search to them on LinkedIn, definitely I will be get each and every information about that. So think about that and update yourself. Learn. Read an article in one of your favorite online publications. See, learning and nowadays what happened in this pandemic situation, each and everyone is in a learning position, and we are trying to learn more and more things with the help of FDP, with the help of such type of webinars or online seminars or online lectures. So learn first. Read an article in one of your favorite publications or your favorite author, or watch educational YouTube videos also, or listen podcast also. So follow these steps for upkeep your brand digitally and go ahead. Next, sir. Yeah, when you have to learn about all these things, then start with your LinkedIn account. What happened, people nowadays, we are using Facebook a lot, but when you are going to as a professionally, so I suggest to all of you, first and most important tool is that for you influence your brand online, that is the LinkedIn. Why? Because the people often directly to LinkedIn when they want to check you out of in a professional capacity. So, and even if they don't, they will be like end up to them, because your LinkedIn profile will be show up at the top of your web research typically in one of the three spots. Chitika.com has, as per the Chitika.com, the results is that 62% of the clicks go to the top three web results only, and LinkedIn in these three. So start when you want to, people will be find to you easily on digitally. So click so create your account on LinkedIn and go ahead with that. Yeah. The other powerful aspect of the LinkedIn is that every element is an important opportunity to tell your story, to help people to get know you. Spend most of your profile building time on summary, which is refine the bio you created in step 2. That is the personal branding process to craft uh, 2000 character summary. This is these 2000 word summary try to give information related to your skills, your successful stories, and like that. Yeah, this is an orchid. Orchid enables you to obtain a unique 16-digit identifier number. I don't know how many people are have account on Orchid, but I request to all of you create your profile on Orchid. Orchid will be identified to you with a 16 digital identification number, and that can be used to tie you work. Orchid enables communication across multiple platforms actually, like that Scopus, Web of Science, and Researchers ID. You have to directly upload your all publication with the Excel sheets or with the CSV file, and make your profile strongly. You can get how much H index you have, who is going to cite your paper. So citation index also you can help of this Orchid ID, and this is an some why you have to use such type of platform, because in India or in all over the India, world, the researchers have same name, same initial. That time what happened? If I will be searched as an Kalbande DT, so maybe there is an n number of people with have Kalbande DT, but how system will be identified? To your Google Scholar will be identified. Your profile, you have to create your profile with such type of platforms and create your own digital brand or own your identification number. Next slide, please. Google Scholar. Google Scholar, each and every your account on Google Scholar. Sometimes it will be say Google Scholar has been giving wrong results in citations, or it may be sometime it will happen or people will be misused. See, this is a program. A program will be always, people are very much smart in nowadays in this ICT era. They will be always find shortcuts or some programming. So think about it. It's okay. If you will be communicated with the Google, so they will be try to them rectify and they will be to do better service to us. But with the help of Scholar, you will be get and scholarly citations with papers you have to written or publish who is site, what is your index, how many top your co-authors like that. So these statistics will be what is your I10 index like that. So each and every information will be get and see. If you want to create your professional brand, so your citations is index and publications is the most important part. So be careful. Add your own articles in your profiles. Don't add the matching initials with you. That time what happen? See the when anybody want to search you, they will be very smart. They will be see each and everything. Which article you have to written, and that time it will be like found that Kalabande DT has in belong to libraries. Some science related paper. So how it is possible? So think your own profile and add it may be 2 papers, it may be 3 papers. Don't worry about that. See many papers, yeah, that doesn't matter. But what is the quality is the most important. How many people? I sometime when I will be search such type of articles, some people have 1 to 2 articles, but that articles they have more than 5,600 or such type of citations is there. So he is created his own brand like that, and why people will is having one single article, but people is taking care about that because there is an having such quality. Next, sir. Next one is a Scopus. Yeah, Scopus side. Nowadays, you know, each and every professionals going to publish in a Scopus index journals or Web of Science journals, index journals, and such type of instruction has been given by the NAC also. So, and I think UGC care is the list is also there. So they will be most preferred the journals are from the Scopus. And when you want to publish your paper in Scopus, when you want to identify your research papers in available in the Scopus database, that time you have to need to create your profile. You have to create your profile with the help of that Scopus to ORCID options, and we have to link your author identification information with ORCID also. See, these all the platforms are connected each and others, but sometimes what happen? Why you have to create each profile on Scopus, on ORCID, on Google Scholar, on ResearchGate, and all that, because each and every has different indexing journals or different policies. Like Scopus have different policy or Scopus have different journals. Sometimes maybe journals are some journals are available in Web of Science, but Web of Science have different journals. So try to make it possible. Whenever your journals is available in Scopus, that also will be identified to you. If your paper journal is available in Scopus, then that will be also identified to you. So create such type of profiles on a digital platform. Another one, sir. Another slide. Research ID. Yeah, researchers ID is and also the product of Web of Science. Researchers ID is and nothing but is allowing to you claim and showcase of your publications from a single one account and search the registry to find collaborators, view publication list, and explore how research is used around the world. So go ahead and create your profile with the research ID also, because research ID is particularly used by the Web of Science, and Scopus and Web of Science is the nowadays is and most important databases to us for the create an academic or professional like and your academic purpose. Is an edu. Yeah, see, academic.edu is a very good platform for the newcomers or new researchers. See, academic.edu has more than 75 billion articles. Sorry, 75 billion people or authors has been signed on academic.edu, and 22 million plus papers are available on academic.edu. even academic.edu attracts over 54 million unique visitors in a month. Those people are doing research currently, or those people are doing their doctoral research or research projects. They have to must their account on academia.edu, because when any one will be published papers related to your group, your targeted keyword, like on which topic you are going to research, so automatically you get that papers on your mail, or notifications you will be get on your account or in your registered mail. So this is an very important. There is a no need to search other databases and like that, go to the academia.edu and search if you want to paper on information literacy. If anyone will be published, they upload their paper on academic.edu related information literacy, so automatically you will be get on your mail immediately. So this is the most important part. And now see, most important feature is that academia.edu, that analytics. Nowadays, if you are publishing your paper, so we are very much interesting like that. Who is seeing my paper? Who is view my profile? And how many times my paper has been downloaded? So each and every analytics you will be get with the help of such platform, that is an academia.edu. And I would like to say that from science faculties, almost 100% science faculties have their accounts on academic.edu, and these science faculties people are very much aware about these all platforms. Next one, ResearchGate. Most of the people have used this ResearchGate for the professional network as well as scientists and researchers communication. More than 15 million members from the all over world use such type of facility for the discover, for the share and discuss the research. See, the ResearchGate have most important features is that you can share your publication, you can access millions more and publish your data, connect and collaborate with colleagues, peers and co-authors and specialists, get statistics and find out who's being reading and citing your research work. Even you can get weekly your data, how many people are read your publications, or how many people are downloaded your publication in this week, in this month, or in this 6 months. So this is very much important part for you as an academically when you are going to create your digital brand. So how many people are reading your research? What is your research get score? And how many publication is there? How many citations you have? What is your H index? So these things is the very most important part. And how many people are available in your group or in your profile as a friend? So how many people are follow to you? So these all things are very much important as a creating for your digital brand. Next one, sir. Yeah, the important part is that create your personal website. As a librarian or as a professional, as an academician, they just need to our personal website. Most of the people are thinking about that, how to create which platform I will be used, and it will be very much need to technical knowledge. Nothing else, nothing that. You have to go to Google sites, you have to go to wix.com. There is a ready-made templates is available. Only remove that data and put it your photos, put it your information over there, and create your website within a 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. Your website, so automatically people are when they will be searching to you, so each and every information will be get on a single platform, like your publications, like your education, like your experience, like your some official snaps, like that. So try to make your profile with the help of such type of platforms, like an personal websites, with the help of Google sites, also with the help of wix.com. Sir, next slide. Blogs. But I have not inserted over here because my blog is not updated and I am not using regularly. But I, as a thinking of the professional, you should have your blog. Blog is an, see, most of the people's blog is nothing but in an online journal. You will be find out that the week wise or day wise the data post you have to create it or you have to upload it. So this is the most important part, and those people are very much famous or writers. Sometimes Marathi writers is also there. Some English writers are also there. Some poet also is there. They have to create their own blogs, and number of followers is there. They are waiting for their post on their blog. So such type of brand you have to create. You have to create your official brand. Try to post your subject or your targeted audience related post on your blog and make it them to how to get a knowledge, and they will be to update your what you are doing and what is your recent achievement and which things you are doing nowadays. So blog is an most important part. Structure blog very well like this. This is a very good or a very nicely designed blog. That's why I have choose this, and our subject related blogs. They have to introduce about their on front page like that. You have to create it about you within a 200 or within a 180 like that as per the limitations. So limited words. So create like that your profile, create about you and put it on your blogs and try to make your blog updated regularly. So your targeted audience group should be eager waiting that when sir will be putting such type of post and when I will be read and when I will get something new from your blog. So create like blog like that. Nowadays what happen, we are creating never will be post anything on that, so people will be neglect to you, people will be don't and if you will be put like that within a 1 month or within a 6 month after that 1 year, so people will be neglect to you. That time you have to need periodically you have to update your whatever you have doing such type of things or such type of events, so you have to upload on your blog like that. Prahlad Jadhav has been doing wonderful job regarding the blogs. He has created his own blog. I think official blog is also there, but he is trying to update regularly and he want to give each and every event related information or whatever he is doing or which lectures he have delivered today, each and everything he will be updated on their blog. So even people are eagerly waiting when Prahlad Jadhav has been uploading something on their blog. So like that you have to create your own brand. And see, one thing I am respectfully said to you that when you are looking or you are searching on your WhatsApp group, so when webinar is there, Prahlad Jadhav and Kumar sir is there and such type of personalities, those who are belong from our profession, each and every webinar they have, because they have brand, they have to create their own target audience. See, I am really said that when Kumar sir will be on lecture in Mumbai city or in other cities, so near about those professionals are there, so they will be eagerly waiting their lectures and their speech. So like that you have to create your brand, so your targeted audience will be eagerly waiting for you. So such type of facilities or such type of events reports you have to put it on your blog. Next, ELIS. This is an institute. ELIS is an okay. He will be changed in some time. ELIS is an very good institutional repository created by the ELIS professionals, and it will be support to more than 22 languages actually. And all the papers are available open access. But one thing you have to remember that when you want to put to deposit your research papers on ELS repository, so think first search your copyright policies of that particular journal. If journals is not allowed to you, so don't put it such type of papers. But if journals are available on open access, so you can go ahead. You can put create your own account on ELS, and even if you want to search which journals will be allowed to you put your research papers. So search Sherpa Romeo database. Sherpa Romeo database is the best database for searching which journals are you publishing on ELIS or in ELIS. Even such this institutional repository available internationally. So many people, so many papers, millions of papers available over here. Even you can get the statistics also. How many people are downloading your paper who is in this month or year wise or like that. So that should be, you will be get that whether people are using your research or not, whether they will be taking care of you on a digitally or not. So you deposit those papers are available open accessly. So create your profile in ELS and upload all the papers. I have uploaded my near about 24 papers on that, and see, when I have type of profiles in various platforms, that time my citations has been automatically increased because lot of people are downloading the paper they are using. People are always will be searching for something new or something for their need or for their research whatever fit for that references. So they will be automatically down. They will be don't think who is Datta Kalpande and who is another year. They will be think about the content, or they will be think about the your title. So if your title or your content is related to their research, so definitely they will be take care of your research. Next, sir. Yeah, another is most. This is a very good platform. Problems more than 20 billion researchers use Publons to track of their publications, citation metrics, year use, and journal editing work in a single easy to maintaining the profile. All your publication instantly actually imported from Science Orchid or your bibliographic reference managers. Trusted citation metrics also is facility is very good, automatically imported from the Web of Science or core collections, and correct author attributions. If you will be find some will be there not a unique for you. So with the help of researchers ID and automatically the publication you claim on Web of Science collection. So uh, your attributions is a very good facility in the Publons. Sir, next slide, Publons. Your another feature of the Publons is that the your verified peer-reviewed and journal editing history also. Yeah, powered by the partnership with the thousands of scholarly journals. So you will be instantly get that your editing history and downloadable records. You, in with the help of Publons, you will be summarizing your scholarly impact as well as an author, editor, and the your reviewer. Sir, please change slide, sir. Next. Yeah. See, important. Sir. One slide back. Yeah, with one database. Yeah, it provides information about a background, connect address, experience, and scholarly publications, skills and accomplishment of the researcher. The database developed and maintained by the Implement Center and with the support of the National Mission on Education through ICT. The database would be instrumental in selection of the panels of experts for various committees, task force established by the ministers, governments, and establishment for monitoring and evaluation of, for the purpose. But unfortunately, I would like to say that with one database, only 480 librarian information science professionals have their profile, and total 50, and most of the people are from the science faculty. Even this database is belongs created by the or developed by the Implement Center, and Implement Center is the heart of librarian information science professionals, because we know each and everything about the Implement. But instead of that, only 480 librarian information science professionals are created their profiles. So how can the government will be take care of your publications or your if
तुम्ही
now
सादरच बोलून राहिलो.
someone is so see, so how can other peoples will be take care, or how can they will find you have such type of expertise in your life, and someone is have mainly expertise, so how can they will be find, or how can nearby people will be search to you, who is the going to uh, deliver best speech on digital branding. So such type of with one database will be help to you to find which experts are available around to your city or around to your state or around to your college. So create your own profile on Vidwan database. This is a very wonderful platform is there. Even you can count your citations also with the help of Vidwan databases. And Vidwan databases is free to all. You can go to directly anytime on an implement center, create on a click on a Vidwan database and create your profile with the some with the help of some personal information and upload your all publication. What you can say, what is your expertise? If you are, if I have to mention there, I have expertise in a Mendeley, but I don't know about anything about the Mendeley. So people when will be searching to you, who is nearby Ulhasnagar, delivering the speech on the Mendeley or expertise in the Mendeley, and if they will be contact to me, and I will say no, I don't know anything. But why then? Why I have to put it to my expertise in Mendeley on with one database? So such type will be bad impression. It should be go to the in community or go to the in the your professional fellows. So try to get authentic information. That's why I'm tracing on the authentic information on each and every platform. So try to get only authentic information and authenticity. While we are thinking about the brand is nothing but in your authenticity. So think about that and put your authentic information on each and every platform. Next slide, sir, please. Yeah. After that, you have to expand to other social media. As a professionally, you want to create your brand, then I request to all of you first think about those platform I have to discuss about, and then you have to go for the other social media. Like testing out things is the best approach to all social media. It may be seen unapproachable. Social media is not a much of the challenge as you may think, and it doesn't need to take over your life. You need to be a part of every may think, and it from your social media choose the one that will best to you and enjoy that. Don't create much more accounts on so many social media, and at least you have to create one account and account in authenticity. See, when you are going to other social media like Facebook or YouTube or Twitter or like that, so it's prepared social media for your target audience. Actually, you have to create or you have to choose those your targeted audience are available on your social media. Second one is it gives you to opportunity to engage with others and express your brand.
उधर से तक ना अच्छा तरफ ये करना है ये क्यों भैया ने काट किया बाल इधर
Shanti ji,
हाँ
you are coming, please. Thank you, ma'am. Actually, social media is nothing but an is a tool to enjoying of yourself. If you don't enjoy it, you probably won't. If you are visual person, consider Instagram, Pinterest, or SlideShare. If video in your medium, YouTube may be your place. So think about that. What is the your target audience? And reserve your vanity name in the most prominent social media like Instagram, Twitter, SlideShare. See, Twitter is the most important part because Twitter will be with the help of Twitter. You will learn how to express your thinking in within a 140 character. So think of this type of see as a researcher we know to that how to write and abstract or summary of each and your research paper of your project work. So Twitter is the most important thing part of that tool. You have to summarize the very vast subject within a limited character. So and as a LIS professionals, please be conscious about the digital brand. One thing is most important like that. So you should be conscious and you are the asset of your profession. So be careful. Stick with authenticity, stick with knowledgeable post and create this profession more and more branded with your identity. See, always earlier also I have said that the people will know you to your name, sometime by your profession or sometime by your institute. So as a professional, it is our prior responsibility, never anyone to say something wrong. So it's only on up to you and you or we are the asset of our profession. So be careful. And when we are going to on digitally, when we want to create our brand, so think about our targeted audience, think about our students, think about our profession first thing, think about yourself, think about your family backgrounds also. Sometimes what happen if any wrong post you have to post on your social media, so that impact should be on your family members also, because they don't have any role in that such type of situation, but they will be also in the trouble with your single mistake. So think about that and be on a social media, be professional. Sometimes what happens, will be posting anything on social media. So I request to all of you, please try to some knowledgeable post, try to give informative post for your targeted audience. And if you want to, people will be think about you. So create such type of follow such type of ethics and go ahead with the help of such type of things. Definitely, I'm assured that you will be create your own brand, and not only the brand but successful brand you will be create yourself. And definitely your targeted audience also you will be take care of your posting and your knowledgeable sharing knowledge on your social media. So thank you once again to all of you for patiently listening to me. If you have any questions, so please feel free to ask me, sir. And over to you, Joshi sir.
Yes, Dattatreya Kalmandri, Dr. Dattatreya Kalmandri, thank you very much. Very informative session. Now it's open for question and answer. Anybody can ask a question after meeting your mind.
Hello.
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, sir. Especially thanks to Dattatreya, sir. Really, he had given us the very detailed this one landscape on which we can create our brand and we can expand our this one also level of work professionally, personally also. And he definitely helped us to grow as rich as we can. So he had showed very many things so that we can create our goodwill also. Thank you, sir. This is not my question, but a reply on his topic. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Next, any question, please?
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Can you
Yes.
hear? I just wanted to ask you that you said that not to open too many online this one you said, right? I want to know
No, no, no.
why. Uh-huh.
No, no. Uh, to each platform.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Which platform you use, that should be any relevant and regularly be updated for your targeted group. That's the matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, Dattatreya sir, there is one question from Anand side.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. I just want to know that if you just suggest me or guide me, what is the control of fake news on social media?
That's why I'm asking in the earlier discussion like that. You have to first privatize your own profile. What happens? So many people are tagging to you fake news. So see, when people are sending fake news, so we can't control that. We control ourselves, because they have doing their business, but our business is that we have to maintain our quality, we have to maintain ourselves, और maybe और हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये जो भी फेक न्यूज आते हैं उससे हम
जी
ज्यादा दूर रहें. As a professional, when we are belongs to your targeted audience or our students, so if such type of post available on your profile, so that should be going to badly, or bad message should be going to your audience. So that time will be you will be will be restrict your rules or settings of your profile, and anybody can't back to you. So such type of facilities available each and every platform. So use that platform also.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very clear.
Hello, Mr. Disculpani.
What is the best
Hello, sir.
option, sir? Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. My question is,
What
sir.
is the best
If you publish something from what we call e-content on our social media,
Yes.
Hello?
Good.
sir, if you publish content on social media, the copyright will be with us only, right?
Yeah.
Sir?
Hello?
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Marketing platform.
Digitally, or sometime I will be send my photos on any media like official photos. So that photo should be also sometime copyrighted. So be care about that when you are using each and every information available on that. That maybe sometime you see sometime what happen, we are forwarded post which are received on your Facebook or on your WhatsApp account. That time or some people are making some changes in that and posting like I have created or I have write such type of things like that. Sometimes what happen nowadays, some posts are coming related to the corona. But what happen, people are doing something, filtering them, putting lastly their name and posting like that. So if anyone those who their such type of post and if you will be take objection, so that should be comes under an copyright. Exactly, no problem about that. Or be serious. Now, what happened nowadays? People will be posting, changing name, and posting as a this post has been written by one. So be care about that.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello. Sir, I'm audible. I'm audible here. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
First of all, I would like to thank Nitin sir and NK team for organizing such a wonderful presentation and webinar. I just want to highlight something for the Datta sir's presentation. Very clear, with very clear proper contents.
Sir, your award not clear, sir. Some disturbance is there.
Is it clear now? Hello.
Not clear.
Sorry, I guess. Hello. सर आवाज येतोय का माझा?
हो येतोय, आता येतोय.
Thank you so much. Sir, first of all, I would like to thank Nitin sir and LPA team member for wonderful session they had organized. Second thing about the Datta sir session, definitely clear-cut proper content had covered, specifically given explanation about each and every tools and each topic. No doubt, Datta sir, you had shared your experience, what you are working with your profile, with your college, with your research. All those things are shared here, and thank you to you. And definitely from this session, many of us will get benefit to create digital, branding, which is really important. And nowadays, due to more use of computers and internet and Web 3.0 tools, this type of identity is most required. So I really want to congratulate you for getting up a good topic and giving us a very fruitful session. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Anyone else?
Any other question?
Today, I just wanted to know what is your opinion on copyright violation through social media?
Sir, hearing to you, too clear.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Hello.
Please ask question. You're the
Dr. Kalbande, it is very nice and fruitful session for all the LS. My question is that, sir. Hello.
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes. Sir, you are talking about Google Scholar and LinkedIn and all other social medias. But my basic question is that how to increase our H index on Scopus and Web of Science, because everyone should try to publish on or publish to Web of Science and Scopus. But how to increase our scholarly publications on that, sir?
See, actually, publishing is different. Increasing your citations and index is different part. If whatever you publish, nobody can use that one. So you can't increase your citations and your H index. For that purpose, what happened? People should use your applications. And main motive behind such rating of type of platform or using of such platforms is that more and more people reach for your research. So first you have to don't think about that for increasing index and then if you will be get you will be increase your H index and citations. So don't worry about that. First think about how to make you yourself as an online available for easily will be accessed by the researchers.
Okay, sir. Sir, it is not possible to publish one article in a solo manner. So, what about idea of collaboration publications, collaborative publications? Do you think that we have to publish on collaborative publication?
Actually, what happened nowadays,
Yes.
will be doing collaboration with their research guides. May I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
So what happened? Your question is very good. But what happens if you no need to publish your research papers with collaborator? See, we are thinking about that. If I will be use XYZ name, then and then only my research papers will be select in the Scopus base or whatever it will be, those journals you are using for publication. So not like that. If your content is very good, then definitely no need for any help or no need for any name or no need for any brand. Your brand is your quality. Always I'm sticking with it from first slide to last slide is that you should be publish your authentic information. And if you are authentic, then no need for create such type of issues or such type of circumstances like if I will be not use the collaborative, then it is not possible to publish research papers. Not like that.
Okay. Very clear, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Very clear idea, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. I think questions finished, sir. Okay. Lastly, I would say thanks.
There is one question on copyright violation. What is your opinion on copyright violation? So sharing the paper on social networking.
See, sir, actually, previous slides like that. Whenever in a slide that is there. Actually, I have to get my voice to re back to me. I am audible. Yeah, actually, I think about that when you are going to publish or sharing your research papers on social media. So first think about that which copyright terms and condition have that particular journal or that particular editor. First think about that. If they will be not allowed to use publish your research papers on social media without their permission, so don't go ahead. Stop yourself there, because the without permission of sharing such type of papers is a violation of the copyright. No doubt about that. So first think about that. Journal is available open access, and so go ahead, no problem.
Any other question? Hello. I think that is if any question we will take on email or it comes to me, I will forward you.
Okay, sir. Okay. Lastly, sir, I would like to say thanks to you, and please be safe, stay at home, and take care of yourself as well as your family members. And after this pandemic, let's spread a new virus. Virus should be as an love. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much, Joshi sir, and thank you all audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Dattatreya Kalwande sir. Thank you very much. I am lastly thankful to our MIT WP authorities, our honorable founder president Dr. Vishwanath Karat, who built up a largest world dome at Loni campus. You all are welcome to there for the international conference. Mostly we are associated with LPA. We will conduct next year in 21 at an international conference with LPA. You all are welcome to MIT. I thankful to all participants, MIT, WP, KRC staff, including all. And once again, Datta sir wanted to explain something. Please, sir.
Actually, one announcement is there. On since 12th of this month, 12th May, we are conducting one international FDP program in leading with SNDT Women's University, Department of Library Science and KRC, under the able guidance of Dr. Subhash Chavan sir. So I request to all of you, please take benefit of that FDP also. All links and each and everything has been shared on social media, also available on my Facebook, also available on all SNDT staff members social media, Facebook or social media accounts. So take all of you benefits of that international FDP also. Thank you.
Thank you. Lastly, I thankful to Rahul Vishwanath Karat sir, our founder, executive president. Thank you once all. Thank you. Now I am leaving the meeting.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.